Happy birthday, Gizmo. Okay, it's time to open presents. Let's see. Who's this one from?
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay. Here, Gizzy. You want to open your present?
Aw.
Gizzy, you gotta open it here. Let's take your hat off to open your present. Here, that'll help you out. How's that?
What's in there, huh?
What's in your little present?
What's in there? Can you get it? Try again? What's in there, baby?
She got it. It's a treat. Yay! She's like, I'm out of here. Party's over. Give you the treat. You can all go home now. Thank you for coming.
You have a good birthday? Huh? You're 7 years old now. You're a very big girl. You need to tell all of your friends over there how much you appreciate the fact that they came to see you at your birthday party and bring you all these cool gifts, right?
Thank
Say thanks, guys.